Good afternoon to everyone. So my voice is audible to everyone. Chat in the chat box. Okay, ma. Last previous class already we discussed about ratio and proportions and percentages. Another important chapter for this InfyTQ is LCM and HCF. Now here we see how to calculate LCM and HCF. Now here we see first. So I discuss that basics. Generally, suppose you want to calculate LCM of 2, 4. Generally use this box method 2, 4 to 1 jar to 2 jar. 2 into 2, 4. You get this one like this multiply. For example, LCM of suppose you want to calculate 2, 6, 9. So use 2, 6, 9 to 1 jar, 2, 3 jar, 9. Divide with 3, 3 1 jar, 3 3 jar. 3 3 jar 9, 9 2 jar 18. So like this, using this box method, you calculate you calculate this LCM. So how to calculate this value by using a shortcut method? Now here we observe that in these two examples, the LCM of any number of numbers is equal to highest value or more than highest value. Here highest value is 4, it is equivalent to 4. Here 18 is more than this highest value. Now here directly how to find by using shortcut method. Here we see here in this 2 and 4 highest value is 4. 4 divisible by remaining numbers, yes. So 4 is the LCM. Here highest value in the second case, highest value is 9. 9 is divisible by remaining two numbers. So 9 divisible by 6, no. So no means we take multiple of 9. 9 2 ja 18. So 18 divisible by remaining two numbers, yes. 18 divisible by 6, 18 divisible by 2. So 18 is the LCM. So in this way, we find LCM of any numbers just by multiplying these values. Similarly, HCF of 248. Generally, we divide smaller number with bigger number. 2 2 is 4, remainder 0. Now LCM is 2. Now again this 2 with this 2 divide 8. 2 4 is 8 0. Now whenever you get 0 at this time, the divisor is 2, so HCF of this number is 2 like this. Now here we observe that in this HCF is equal to least number or lesser than least value. So here least value is 2. 2 divides remaining two numbers. 2 divides 4 and also 8. So HCF is 2. Similarly, HCF of 1, 2, 8. So here 1 is the least value. 1 divides 2 and 8. So 1 is the HCF. Suppose you write like this. HCF of 2, 3, 5. Here least value is 2. 2 divides 3? No. No means next least value will take. Next least value of 2 is 1. 1 divides 2, 1 divides 3, 1 divides 5. So HCF is 1. So in this way, we find HCF value of any numbers. Product of two numbers is equal to HCF into LCM of the two numbers. Product of the two numbers is equal to LCM and HCF of the two numbers. Now here we see directly go to problems. Now here we see that least number which is exactly divisible by 5, 8, 10, 12 and 15 is least number means LCM. So now we go along through options. Here least means go along with the least value. Least value is 60. 60 divided by all these values? No, 8 is not divides 60. So 60 is not correct answer. 90 divisible by all these numbers? 90 is not divisible by 8. So this is also not correct answer. 1 to here 80 is divisible by all these numbers? No. 12 is not divides 80. So next least value is 120. 120 divides divided by all these values. 120 divided by all these values. So 120 is the right answer. Similarly here also see the least number which is exactly divisible by least number means LCM. 3, 4, 5, 6 and 88. First least value 80. 80 divided by all these numbers? No, 6 is not divides 80. Next 120. 120 divided by all these numbers? Yes, 120 divided by 3, 120 divided by 4, 120 divided by 5, 120 divided by 6 and 120 divided by 8. So 120 is the right answer. Next, HCF. Find the highest common factor of 36 and 84. Highest common factor means HCF. HCF is equal to least value or less than the least value. Here least value is 36. Here all this value is less than this one. Here highest means we take from highest option value. Highest option is 18. 18 divided 36, yes. 18 divides 84, no. Next highest value 12. 12 divided 36, yes. 12 divides 84 also, yes. 12 7 is 84. So option number 3 is the right answer. The HCF of 204 1190 1445 is. Now here highest value 21. 21 divides 204. 21 10s are 210. Here that is not equal to this one. So this is not divides 204. That means 21 is not correct answer. Next highest value 19. 19 1 19 carry 1 4 14. 14 is not divisible by 19. So this is also not correct answer. 18. 18 divides 204. 18 1 18 carry 2 24. 18 1 18 remainder 6 is there. So 18 is also not divide this number. 17 17 1 17 carry 3 34. 17 2 34. That means 17 divides all these three numbers. 17 7 119. So so all these numbers divisible by 17. So option number 1 is the right answer. Next we see sixth problem. Fifth problem is similar one. The HCF of 2 by 3, 8 by 9, 64 by 89, 10 by 27 is. HCF of fractions equal to formula is HCF of numerators divided by LCM of denominators. So here HCF find for this one 2, 8, 64 and 10. So HCF value is equal to least value or lesser than least value. So least value here, this value is higher than least value. This value is also higher than least value. So these two options are not. These two options are not suitable to this question. So now here in these two cases, least value is 2. 2 equal to 2 divides 8. Yes. 2 divides 64. Yes. 2 divides 10. Yes. Next, for this denominator values 3, 9, 87, 27. Find LCM. Now here we see that for this 3, 9, 87, 27, we find that LCM value. Here LCM value 3, 9, 87, 27, highest value is 87. So LCM is equivalent to highest value or more than highest value. So equal to highest value or more than highest value means here that value is here we see 3, 81, 3, 81. So 81 is equal to 87? No. Highest value is 87. That means here all these options are not suitable to this this question answer. So option number 5, none of this is the answer. Next, HCF of 9, 9 by 10, 12 by 25, 18 by 35, 21 by 40 is. Now, first to find HCF for numerators, LCM for this denominators. Now, HCF of numerators 9, 12, 18, 21. HCF equal to least value or lesser than least value. So now the 63 is not equal to least value or lesser than 60, lesser than this 9. So this is not correct answer. In remaining 3, this one is also more than that one, 252. So remaining 2, 3 by 5, 3 by 1400. 3 divides 9, yes. 3 divides 12, yes. 3 divides 18, yes. 3 divides 21, yes. Now next here either option number 1 or 3. Now here we find for this denominator values 10, 25, 35 and 40, we find LCM. LCM equal to highest value or more than highest value. So here 5, here 1400. So this is not equal to highest value. So this option is not correct answer. Most probably this one is the right answer. So now here we see that 10 divides 1400, 25 divides 1400, 35 divides 1400, 40 divides 1400. So option number 3 is the right answer. So one student give correct answer. Very good. Priyanka Dasari. Next LCM. The LCM of 1 by 3, 5 by 6, 2 by 9, 4 by 27 is. First to find LCM for numerators. LCM for fractions equal to LCM of numerators divided by HCF of denominators. So first to find LCM for this upper values 1, 5, 2, 4. So here LCM is equal to highest value or more than highest value. Highest value is here 5. Here this is not correct answer. So more than 5. This is more than 5. This is more than 5. This is not more than 5. This is also not correct answer. So 10. So 10 divided by all these numbers. 10 is not divisible by 4. So 20 divisible by 1, 20 divisible by 5, 20 divisible by 2, 20 divisible by 4. This is also not correct answer. Most probably this one is the right answer. You check it. 3, 6, 9, 27. For this one, we find HCF. HCF equal to least value or lesser than least value. Least value is 3. 3 divides here 3. 3 divides all these numbers. 3 divides 6, 3 divides 9, 3 divides 27. So 20 by 3. 3 is the HCF, 20 by 3 is the right answer, option number 3 is the right answer. So two members give the correct answer, Priyanka Das and 12B8. Next, here we see 10th problem. The LCM and HCF of two numbers are 840 and 30 respectively, and one of those numbers is 120. Find the second number. Generally here the formula for this one is product of numbers, product of two numbers equal to LCM into HCF. Product of numbers. The two numbers here, one number is given, another number we want to find. So 120 into X equal to LCM 840 into HCF 30. 0, 0. Get cancel. 3 1 ja, 3 4 ja, 4 1 ja, 4 2 ja 8, 4 1 ja 0. So X means another number is 210. Option number 2 is the right answer. So 3 numbers give correct answer. 463, Dasari, Priyanka, Dasari and 482. The 3 persons give correct answer. Very good. Next. Next here we see 12th problem. The HCF and LCM of two numbers are 11 and 385 respectively. If one number lies between 75 and 120, then that number is. So LCM into HCF equal to product of the numbers. So here one of the number is also not given. That number lies between only 75 and 180 is given. Here we find the two numbers here. How to find the two numbers here? We see that 11 into product of numbers equal to LCM into HCF. LCM, HCF into LCM. So 11 into 385. We write 11 one more time and this 11 divide this one. 11 3 is 33. Carry 5, 55, 11 5. So that means here 385 we write it is 11 into 35. So we write 11 one more time. So now here 11 into this 35 can be written as 7 into 5. So 111 into 7, another 11 into 5. So 11 7 are 77, 11 5 are 55. So 77 into 55, these are the two numbers. One number is 77, another number is 55. So here is given that one number lies between 75 and 120. So the number which lies between 75 and 120 is 77. So 77 is the right answer. So option number 1 is the right answer. 12 BIT give the correct answer. Very good. Next one. The LCM of two numbers is 495 and their HCF is 5. The sum of the numbers is 100, then their difference is. Now here also product of numbers equal to LCM and HCF. So 5, write this one in terms of factors for 5 into 5. So with 5 divide this one. 4 9s are 45. Carry 4, 45, 4 9s are. So 99 we write it as 11 into 9 into 5 into 5. 1 5 with 11, 1 5 with 9. 11 5 is 55, 9 5 is 45. We add these two numbers, we get 100 or not? We get this 100. Sum of the numbers is 100. Now difference of these two numbers, 45 and 55, difference is 10. So option number 1 is the right answer. So next one is similar one, 14th one. The next one here. 16th one here we see. Find the greatest number of 5 digits which when divided by 3, 5, 8, 12 have 2 as remainder. Now 16th one here, we divide each and every number with all these numbers and we get 2 or not, we check it. 3 divides completely this number. So first option is not correct answer. Completely divides. 3 3 are 3 3 are 3 3 are 3 1 3 1 are 3 carry 2 28 3 9 are 27. We get remainder only 1. This is also not correct answer. 3 divides completely this one. This is also not correct answer. Whenever we divide with 3, we get 2 is the remainder. With 5, we get 2 is the remainder. So this is the right answer. So option number 4 is the right answer. So these are the same models. Next 18th one. 17th is also same model question. 18th one here we see. The HCF of two numbers. Which one of the following can never their LCM? Now here we see that generally HCF of two numbers is 8. Which one of the following can never be their HCF? So can never be their LCM. So HCF is always factor of LCM. That means HCF is always divides HCF value. Now here 8 divides 24, 8 divides 48, 8 divides 56. That means the 3 may be LCM values. But 8 not divides 60. So 60 never become a LCM value. So this is the right answer. Next 20th problem. Here we see that 4 bells, 10, 12, 15, 20 minutes respectively beginning together. So after what interval of time do they ring again together? Time intervals is given, bells is given. So that value compulsory calculate with the help of LCM. So timing means we take LCM. So here we find LCM of 10, 12, 15 and 20. LCM is equal to highest value or more than highest value. Now here highest value for here 45. 45 is not divisible by all these values. Next 60. Next highest value is 60. 60 divisible by all these values. So 60 is the right answer. So 60 is the correct one here. Option number 3 is the right answer. Any doubt in this one you can ask. Can you explain again? Now, in any problem, bells or timing question is given, compulsory calculate LCM. So here you find LCM of these numbers 10, 12, 15 and 20. LCM is equal to highest value or more than highest value. Here first we come from least value. Least value is 45. 45 is more than this one, but it is not divisible by all these numbers. Next least value is 60. 60 divisible by all these numbers. So 60 is the right answer. Why it's not? Are you understood? Any doubt? Next, this is another model question, 21st question. The least square number which is exactly divisible by 5, 6, 8, 9 and 10 is. Now here least square is first one is here. Here we see that 900. 900 is a square value. Is 900 divisible by all these numbers? Now 8 is not divisible, not divides this 900. So this is not correct answer. 1600. 1600 divisible by all these numbers. Check it. Now here 1600. 5. 5 3 is a 15. Carry. So last two 0 means it is divisible by 5. 6. 6 2 is a 12. Yeah, carry 4 40. 6 is a 36. Carry 4 40 is not divisible by 6. So this is not a perfect square which is not divisible by all these numbers. Next year 2500. 6 4 is 24. Carry 1 10. 6 1 is 6. Carry 4 40. 6 6 is 36. Remainder 4. So this is also not divisible by 6. Now 3600. It is divisible by 6. 8 4 is 32. Carry 4 40. It is divisible by 8. 9 4 is 36. It is divisible by 9. Last digit 0 means it is divisible by 10. So option number 4 is the right answer. Two students give correct answer. B8 and Priyanka Dasri. Very good. Next 22nd one is same, similar one. 23rd one is a similar one. 24th also similar one. So these are the types which will ask in InfyQ exam from this chapter. Next, I go for another chapter, probability. Otherwise, you go for time and work. Next here. So now here time and work. Here in this time and work, here you see that the first model type question. 56 men complete a piece of work in 24 days. Okay, ma, I will try to change. Everyone is visible the slides. So chat through chat box. Not visible, ma? Okay. Now visible, ma? So these slides are visible. Okay, ma. Now here you see time and work. So from this time and work, in this time and work, here we see that the first question, first model type of question here. That one is 56 men can complete a piece of work in 24 days. In how many days? 42 men can complete the same piece of work. 56 men, they complete that work in how many days? 24 days. 42 men complete the same work in how many days? That is the question. Number of persons decreases means it takes more time to complete that work. This value increases. This value decreases, this value increases means indirect proportion. In indirect proportion rule is first product equal to second product. Second product is 42 into question mark. 14 3 is 42, 14 4 is 56. 3 1 is 3 8 is 4 8 is 32. So how many days it takes? 32 days. Option number 2 is the right answer. 566 and Priyanka Dasri give correct answer. Very good. This is first model type of questions. So this is a similar one. This is also similar one. Now here you see this one. 16 men can build a wall of 52 meters long in 25 days. 16 men, 50 meters to long, they complete in 25 days and work 8 hours per day. Next 64 men complete the wall 65 meters in how many days? With 10 hours per day. Now here we see that here this is the work W1, this is the work W2. First part of work multiply with the second person, second part of work multiply with first one. So 16 into 16 for 65 into 25 into 10 equal to 64 into 52 into question mark into 10. So always this work is inverse proportion. That's why you multiply first part with second part work, second part we work with first part. 16 1 ja, 16 4 ja, 13 5 ja 65, 13 4 ja 52, 5 5 ja, 5 2 ja. So now 5 5 ja 25, 2 1 ja 2 5 ja. 125 by, here this one is 16, we take from that side to this side, divide by question mark. 16 7 ja 112, carry 13, 13 by 16. Yeah, 25 into 8 ma. Here we write a mistake. Here we see that one. Here we write mistake ma. Now 16 into 65 into 25 into 8 ma, not 10 here. So 64 into 52 into question mark into 10. Now 16 1 ja, 16 4 ja, 13 5 ja, 13 4 ja, 5 1 ja, 5 2 ja, 4 1 ja, 4 2 ja, 2 2 get cancelled. Yeah, 25 by 4 equal to question mark 4 6 ja 24, carry 1 6, 1 by 4 days. It takes how many days to complete that work? 6 1 by 4. So option number 4 is the right answer. So option number 4 is the right answer. 4 here, that person give correct, one person give correct answer. Very good. Now this is another type of another model of question. A can do a piece of work in 12 days. B is 50% more efficient than A. In how many days B will finish the same work? Now here A is to B. B is 50% more efficient than A. So efficiency, A efficiency 100 means B efficiency is 150, 50% more. Now we come to work. That means A take 150 days, B take only 100 days. So 150 is to, now come to days, reverse of efficiency, 1 by efficiency. So 150 is to 100. 53 is 52. 3 is to 2. So A can do piece of work in 12 days. 3 parts is 12 days. Or 2 parts is how much? 3 1 ja, 3 4 ja. 1 part is 4, 2 parts is 8 days. So option number 2 is the right answer. Our student give correct answer. Very good. This is a similar problem. Now this is another model. Two pipes A and B can fill the tank in 20 minutes and 30 minutes respectively. If both pipes are open together, the time taken to fill the tank is product by sum. Here, two pipes open at a time and fill the tank. That means our formula is product by sum. 20 into 30 by 20 plus 30, 50. 0, 0 get cancelled. 5 1 ja, 5 4 ja. 4 3 ja, 12 minutes. Option number 2 is the right answer. A particular job can be completed by a team of 10 men in 12 days. The same job can be completed by a team of 10 women in 6 days. How many days are need to complete the job if the two teams work together? Work together means product by sum. Product 12 into 6 divided by 18. 6 1 ja, 6 3 ja, 3 1 ja, 3 4 ja. It takes only 4 days. Now, this is another model question, another model type of question. A system has two pipes, one of which can fill it in 30 minutes and the other can empty it in 40 minutes. If both the pipes are open, how many minutes will take to fill the cistern? A cistern has how many pipes? Two pipes, one of which can fill it in 30 minutes, another can empty in 40 minutes. If both the pipes are open, how many minutes will it take to fill the cistern? So one full, one empty means product by difference. 30 into 40 by difference is 10. 0, 0 get cancelled. 43 ja 120 minutes. Option number 3 is the right answer. 4 J to give correct answer. Very good. Next. A and B together can do a piece of work in 10 days. A alone can do it in 30 days. The time in which B alone can do it is A and B combined do the work. A individually do that work. B individually how many days to complete means here product by difference. Well, so combined is given, one person individually given, who find another person individual means product by difference. 10 into 30 by 20. 1 ja, 2 15 ja. 15 days. Option number 3 is the right answer. This is also similar problem. Now here see 13th problem. Three pipes A, B and C can fill the tank in 30 minutes, 20 minutes and 10 minutes respectively. When the tank is empty, all the three pipes are opened. If A, B and C discharge chemical solutions P, Q and R respectively, then the part of the solution are in the liquid of the tank after 3 minutes is. Now here clearly, here you see this problem. A, B, C can fill a tank in 30 minutes, 20 minutes and 10 minutes respectively. When the tank is empty, all three pipes are opened. If A, B and C discharge the chemical solutions P, Q, R and respectively, then part of solution are in the liquid in the tank after 3 minutes is A fill 30 minutes. So A fill A 1 minute work is 1 by 30, B 1 by 20, C 1 by 10. LCM is 30, 20, 10, 60, 60 is the LCM. A fill 32 ja, 23 ja, 10 6 ja. 5 by 11 by 60. So reverse this one to get 60 by 11. So this is overall that persons get. But here A has how much part? 10. 10. So here 60. 10 means you divide with 10. 1 by 10. 0, 0 get cancelled. 6 by 11. So option number 3 is the right answer. Otherwise, you calculate in this manner also. 30, 20, 10. 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 1, 6. By, here we get how much value here? Here actually 1 by 30. Actually total 6 parts is there. 1 by 3, 1 by 2, 1 by 1. So AB 2 is to CA 3 is to 2, 3, 2 just 6. 2 is to 3 is to 6. Here 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 6, 11. Total 11 parts. Out of 11, C is 6 parts. So in this way we get the answer. This is another way. 1 by 30 is to 1 by 20 is to 1 by 10. 0, 0, 0 get cancelled all this. So now 1 by A is to 1 by B is to 1 by C is equal to BC. BC value is 2, 1, 1, 2. Next AC 3 into 1, 3. AB 2, 3 just 6. Total 11 parts. Among this, R has solution how many parts? 6. 6 by among total 11 parts. 6 by 11. So this is another way to get the answer of this question. Next. This is another model type of question. 2 taps can fill the tank in 10 hours and 15 hours respectively. A third tap can empty the full tank in 12 hours. How many hours will be required if all of them are opened simultaneously? First 5 fill the tank. So 1 by 10. 1 hour work is 1 by 10. Second pipe 1 hour work is 1 by 15. Third pipe empty means minus. 1 hour work is 1 by 12. LCM is 180. 10 divides 18 times. 15 divides 12 times. 12 divides 15 times. 30 minus 15, 15 by 180. 15 1 ja, 15 12 ja, 1 by 12. This is 1 hour work. So in 1 hour they complete means reverse of this 1 hour work, that is 12 hours. So option number 2 is the right answer. Is a similar one. Next, this is a similar type of question. So all of you try to do this question. Try to answer this question. Try this one. So only one person give the answer. That is option number 2, question mark, Priyanka Dasare. 12B8, option number 3. So check it. Now here you see that. Which one is the correct answer? Two pipes A, B can separately fill a cistern. Cistern means tank. 60 minutes and 75 minutes respectively. There is a third pipe in the bottom of the cistern to empty it. If all three pipes are simultaneously opened, then the cistern is full in 50 minutes. In how much time the third pipe alone can empty the cistern? So first pipe 1 minute work is 1 by 60 plus second pipe fill that one means 1 by 75. And a third pipe that empty means minus 1 by x equal to 1 minute work is 1 by 50. Yeah, that means 1 by 60 plus 1 by 75 minus 1 by 50 equal to x. 1 by x. LCM 75 2 ja 150. 150 is not divided by 60. 75 3 ja 225. 75 4 ja 300. 300 divisible by all these values. So 300 is the LCM. 65 ja 75 4 ja 56 ja 9 minus 6 is 3. 3 by 300 equal to 1 by x. 3 1 ja 300 ja. So x equal to 100 minutes. So option number 2 is the right answer. 3 is not right answer. Option number 2 is the right answer. So any doubt in this question? This is all similar one. So this is another type of model of these questions. A tank has 3 pipes. First pipe can fill 1 by 2 part of the tank in 1 hour, and the second pipe can fill 1 by 3 part in 1 hour. The third pipe is for making the tank empty. When all the 3 pipes are open, 7 by 12 part of the tank is filled in 1 hour. How much time will the third pipe take to empty the complete filled tank? So 1 hour, the first pipe can fill 1 by 2 part in 1 hour. 1 hour work is 1 by 2. Second pipe 1 by 3. Third pipe empty means 1 by x equal to total how much part filled in 1 hour? 7 by 12 part. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 minus 7 by 12 equal to 1 by x. 12 is the LCM. 2 divides 6 times, 3 divides 4 times, minus 12 divides 1 time, 7 equal to 1 by x. 10 minus 7, 3 by 12 equal to 1 by x. 3 1 ja, 3 4 ja. X value is 4. 4 hours take to empty the tank. Option number 2 is the right answer. Next, this is another model of question. A and B can do a piece of work in 8 days. B and C can do the same work in 12 days. If A, B and C can complete the same work in 6 days, in how many days can A and C complete the same work? Now, A and B, 1 day work, 1 by 8. B and C, 1 day work is 1 by 12. If A, B and C can complete the same work in A, B and C can complete that work. A plus B plus C, 1 day work is 1 by 6. In how many days can A plus C complete the same work? Now here, A plus 2B plus C, 1 day work, I'll let here. LCM is 12 to the 24. 24 divided by this 2, 24. A divides 3 times, 12 divides 2 times, 5 by 24. Now subtract this 2. A get cancelled. B, 2B minus B, 1B, CC get cancelled. Now 5 by 24 minus 1 by 6. So B value is LCM is 24. 5 minus 6 divides 4 times 1 by 24. B value is 1 by 24. That one subtract from this one, we get A plus C value. A plus C equal to A plus B plus C minus B. B value is 1 by 24. 24 LCM 6 4 times minus 1. 3 by 24. 3 by 24 means 3 1 ja 3 8 ja. 1 by 8. That means in 8 days A and C complete that work. Option number 1 is the right answer. Some students give correct answer. Very good. This is a similar one. Now here you see 3 persons undertake to complete a piece of work for 1200 rupees. The first person can work in 8 days, second person in 12 days, and third person in 16 days. They complete the work with the help of fourth person. That means the 3 persons plus fourth person in 3 days. What does the fourth person get? Fourth person get how much value? Now here, first person 1 day work is 1 by 8. Plus second person 1 day work is 1 by 12 plus third person 1 day work is 1 by 16. The 3 persons they do that work along with fourth person. Fourth person 1 day work we won't know, so did not know, so we write x equal to that work completed with 3 days 1 by 3. Otherwise do this problem now in another way as first person work 3 days, second person also work 3 days, third person also work 3 days, fourth person also work 3 days. One work means one. Now 3 by x equal to 1 minus 3 by 8 plus 3 by 12 plus 3 by 16. 60 is not divisible by 12. So 16 2 is 32, 16 3 is 48. 48 divisible by all these numbers. 48 minus 8 6 is 48. 3 is 18. 12 4 is 48. 12 4 3 is 12. 16 16 3 is 48. 3 3 is 9. 30 39. 48 minus 39 means 9. 9 by 48. 3 1 is 3 3 ja 3 1 ja 3 16 ja 1 by x equal to 1 by 16, so x equal to 16. So fourth person that complete in how many days? In 16 days. So what is the fourth person part of the money? You find that one. So first person part is 1 by 8, second person is 1 by 12, third person 1 by 16, fourth person 1 by 16. LCM is 48. To multiply all these numbers with 48. A is 6, 48 by 6. Here B is 3, C is B is 4, C is 3, D is also 3. 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 9, 19 parts. Yeah, 6 is 48. Here 12 4 is 48. 16 3 is 3 3 is 6. 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 6, 16. 16 parts is to make 1200 into 16 parts. 16 1 ja 16 7 ja 112 carry 8 80. 16 5 ja. One part is 75. Here C has how many parts? 3 parts. 75 3 ja 225. So that fourth person get how many parts? 3 parts. That 3 parts value is 225. Option number 3 is the right answer. These are the different models which are important for an infinitive exam from time and work. Anyone have any doubt, you can ask. Otherwise, I go for another important chapter, speed, time, distance. Once recap all questions. So I recapping all questions in different chapters. So each and every question I discuss that model. I discuss all different models. So I discuss each and every question separately, means only one unit covers in this 2 hours. That's why examination point of view I discuss all different chapters. Next, another important chapter is probability. Is it visible to everyone? No. Here you see. The dice is thrown. What is the probability that the number shown on the dice is? One minute, ma. Now, here probability. So here you see that first question. A dice is thrown. What is the probability that the number shown on the dice is? So whenever dice thrown on that number, on that dice we have mainly 6 numbers. That 6 numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Any one of these numbers appear on the dice. Now here, first here we see that so here first one is here, the question is an even number. How many even numbers is there here? 2 one even number, 4 even number, 6 are the even number. So 3 even numbers. Probability means number of events, favorable cases divided by total number of cases. Total number of cases is how many cases is there? 3 by 6. 3 by 6 means 1 by 2. Odd numbers. How many odd numbers is there? 1, 3 and 5. 3 odd numbers. 3 by 6. That value is also 1 by 2. A number divisible by 2. How many numbers divisible by 4? 2, 2, 4, 6, 3. 3 by total numbers is 6. That value is also 1 by 2. A number divisible by 3. A number divisible by 3 is 2 is there. 3 and 6. 2 by 6. That value is 1 by 3. A number less than 4. How many numbers less than 4 is there? 3. 3 by 6. That value is 1 by 2. A number less than or equal to 4. Less than or equal to 4 means 4. 4 by 6. 2 by 3. A number greater than 6. No number is greater than 6, so that value is 0. A number less than or equal to 6. How many numbers is there? 6. 6 by 6. That value is 1. Some of the students give correct answer. Very good. Next. Two coins are tossed. What is the probability of the appearing of at most one head, at most two heads? Whenever we are going to toss two coins, we get how many different choices? On the two coins, we get two heads, or one head, one tail, or one tail and one head, and both tails. What is the probability of the appearing of at most one head? At most one head. At most one head means one head or less than one head. So in this case we get one head, here also one head, here 0 heads. How many cases is there? 3 cases. 3 by total cases is 4. 3 by 4. At most 2 heads. At most 2 heads means here 2 heads is there. At most means maximally 2 heads. 2 heads, 1 head and also 0 head. 0 heads. Totally 4 cases is there. 4 by 4, that value is 1. So 3 by 4 and 1 is the right answer. Some students give correct answer. Very good. So this is the similar problem, dice problem. Now here you see that 2 dice are thrown. What is the probability that some of the numbers appeared is 6 and 7? So whenever 2 dice are thrown, we get 36 possibilities. 6 square 36. That's 36 possibilities are 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, and so on 1 comma 6. 2 comma 1 and so on 2 comma 6. So like this up to 6 comma 1 to 6 comma 6. Totally we get 36 possibilities. Sum of numbers appeared is 6 and 7. Here we see that sum of numbers means add this 2. 1 plus 2, 2. Like this. So 6 and 7. 6 and 7 is 6 cases 1 comma 5, 2 comma 4, 3 comma 3, 4 comma 2, 5 comma 1. So totally we get how many cases? 5 cases. 5 divided by 36 plus 7. 7 is 1 comma 6, 2 comma 5, 3 comma 4, 4 comma 3, 5 comma 2, 6 comma 1. Totally 6 cases. 6 by 36. Total cases is 11 by 36. So 11 by 36 is the answer. The second one, sum of numbers appeared is less than or equivalent to 8. Less than or equivalent to 8 means sum 2 cases. Sum 2 cases 1 comma 1, 1 plus sum 3 case. Sum 3 cases are 1 comma 2, 2 comma 1. 2 cases. Sum 4 cases is 1 comma 3, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 1. 3 cases. Sum 4 cases is Sum 5 cases is 1 comma 4, 2 comma 3, 3 comma 2, 4 comma 1. 4 cases. Sum 6 cases is 5 cases. Sum 6 cases is 7 cases is 6. Sum 8 cases is 5 by 36. 3, 6, 10, 20, 26 by 36. 6, 10. Yes, sum of numbers is an odd number. Sum of numbers is odd number means some one case is not there, some three cases is 2, some 5 cases is 4, some 7 cases is 6, some 9 cases 4, some 11 cases 2. 6, 12, 6, 18, 18 by 36. Sum of numbers is multiple of 3. Sum of numbers is multiple of 3. Multiple of 3 is 3 case. 3 case you get 2. 6. 6 you get 5. 9, 4, 12, 1 case. By 36. 7, 11, 12. 12 by 36. 1 by 3. Numbers shown are equal. So numbers shown are equal. In how many cases we get? 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. Totally 6 cases. 6 by 36. 6 1 ja 6 6 ja 1 by 6. The difference of numbers is 2. In how many cases we get? The difference is 2. So 1, 3, 2, 4, 4, 2, 4, 6, 5, 2, 6, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 7 cases. 7 by 36. So in this way, we find answers all these type of questions. Next. A bag contains 3 red, 5 yellow, and 4 green balls. 3 balls are drawn randomly. What is the probability that the balls drawn contain balls of different colors? By exactly 2 green balls, no yellow ball. Now here we see that bag contains how many balls? 3 red, 5 yellow, 4 green balls. Total balls 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 4, 12. 12 balls is total balls. 3 balls are drawn randomly. 3 balls would be cut at a time. Randomly means. What is the problem that the balls drawn contain balls of different color? Each and every ball is different color. That means one is red ball. One ball taken from red means 3C1. One ball taken from yellow means 5C1. One ball taken from green means 4C1. Divide by total 12 balls. So from these 12 balls, we'll take 3 balls. 12C3. 3 into 5 into 4 divided by 12C3 factor. 12 factorial by NCR. N factorial by R factorial into N minus R factorial. 9 factorial. 12 into 9 into 10 into 9 factorial divided by 3 factorial is 6 into 9 factorial. 6 1 ja, 6 2 ja. 11 2 ja 22 into 10, 220. So now here 220 this value. 5 1 ja, 5 4 ja 20, 5 4 ja 20. 11 4 1 ja, 4 1 ja, 4 1 ja. 3 by 11 is the answer. Exactly 2 green balls. 2 green balls means we take that 2 balls from green and another 1 ball from any one of these. 4C2 into remaining is 5 plus 3 8 8C1 divided by 12C3. 4C2 value is 6, 8C1 value is 8, 12C value is 220. 4 2 ja, 4 5 ja, 4 5 ja. 12 by 55. No yellow ball. No yellow ball means you take the 3 balls from remaining balls. 3 plus 4, 7. 7C3 divided by 12C3. 12C3 value 220. 7C3 value find that one. 7 factorial by 3 factorial into 7 minus 3, 4 factorial. 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 4 factorial. 3 factorial is 6. 6 get cancelled. 4 factorial get in. 7 5 ja 35. 35 by 220. 5 7 ja 5 4 ja 5 4 ja 7 by 44. For this one, 7 by 44 is the right answer. So this is all similar one. This is all similar one. Now come here. This is a different model. Out of 50 students studying in a class, 7 are from Maharashtra, 5 from Karnataka, and 3 from Goa. 4 students are to be selected at random. What are the chances that at least one from Karnataka? At least one equal to 1 minus no one selected from Karnataka. 1 minus no one selected from, at least one from Karnataka equal to probability at least one from Karnataka equal to formula is 1 minus no one selected from Karnataka. That means we get at least one selected from Karnataka, or 2 selected Karnataka, 3 selected Karnataka, and so on. So 1 minus, that means we select all that people from remaining. 7 from Maharashtra, 5 from Karnataka, 3 from Goa. Seven plus 5, 12, 12 plus 3. This is the selection. 4 students are to be selected. At least one. At least one minus no one selected from that one. So yeah, that means here 4 students we select from other than Karnataka. So 7 from Maharashtra, 3 from Goa. 7 plus 3, 10. So from this 10 we will select 4. 10C4 divided by 15C4. 1 minus 10 factorial by 4 factorial into 6 factorial. 10 into 9 into 8 into 7, 6 factorial get cancelled. 4 factorial is 24. 8 1 ja, 8 3 ja, 3 1 ja, 3 3 ja, 30, 210. 1 minus 210 by 15C4. 15 factorial by 4 factorial into 11 factorial. 15 into 14 into 13 into 12 into 11 factorial get cancelled. 24. 12 1 ja, 12 2 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 7 ja. 15 7 ja 105. 105 into 13. 13 65. 13 65. Now 5 4 ja 20, 5 2 ja. 5 2 ja 10, 5 7 ja 35, 5 3 ja. 3 1 ja 3 4 ja. 3 9 ja 27, 3 1 ja. 7 2 ja, 7 1 ja 7 3 ja. LCM 13, 13 1 ja 13 minus 2. 11 by 13. 11 by 13 is the answer for this one. Option number 2 is the right answer. Option number D is the wrong answer. Option number 2, 11. 11 by 13 is the right answer. This is a similar one. This is a similar one. Here. So this is another model question. Come here. Study the given information carefully and answer the questions that follow. The basket contains 4 red, 5 blue, and 3 green marbles. If 3 marbles are picked at random, what is the probability that either all are green or all are red? Here, how many marbles we picked? 3 marbles. So the 3 marbles are either green or red. So green 3. From the 3 we'll take 3. R means plus. Red. From that 4, we take 3 red. Divide by total 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 3, 12, 12 C3. 3 C3 value is 1, 4 C3 value is 4, divided by 12 factorial by 3 factorial into 9 factorial. 12 into 10 into 11 into 9 fact 9 fact get cancel 6 6 1 ja 6 2 ja 20 2 10 5 by 2 10 5 1 ja 5 4 ja 20 5 2 ja 1 by 42. You want to 220 5 4 ja 5 4 ja 1 by 44. Option number 4 is the right answer. So one student give correct answer, Priyanka Dasari. Very good. This is another model. Next. This is the last model in this probability. Study the given information carefully and answer the questions that follow. A committee of 5 members is to be formed out of 3 trainees. The study given carefully and answer the given questions. A committee of 5 members is to be formed out of 3 trainees, 4 professors and 6 research associates. In how many different ways can this done be? If the committee should have all 4 professors and 1 research associate, or all 3 trainees and 2 professors. Here, the committee should have all 4 professors and 1 research associates. That means we select from these 4 professors, we select 4 professors, 4C4, and means into 1 research associate. From that 6 research associates, we select 1. R means plus. All 3 trainees. 3 trainees from 3 trainees we select. Plus. From that 4 professors, we select 2 professors. 4C4 value is 1 into 6 plus 3C3 value is 1 into 4C2 value is 6. 6 plus 6 12. So in how many ways they select? How many ways means here we calculate only number of ways, not probability. So total number of ways is 12. Option number 1 is the right answer. The committee should have 2 trainees and 3 research associates. 2 trainees and 3 research associates. Here how many trainees is there? 3. 3C2. 6 C3. 3C2 into 6 research associates. How many is there? 6. From the 6 we pick 3. 6C3. 3C2 value is 3 into 6 factorial by 3 factorial. 6 minus 3 value is into 3 factorial. 6 into 5 into 4. 3 factorial get cancelled. 6 get cancelled. 5 4 is 20. 23 is 60. In 60 ways they select that 3 people. So option number 3 is the right answer. Priyanka Das give correct answer. Try to do this question. Already we told at least one from Karnataka. Already we told that type of problem. Try to do this one. Study the given information carefully and answer the question that follow. An N contains 6 red, 4 blue and 2 green and 3 yellow marbles. Your question is, if 4 marbles are picked at random, what is the probability that at least one is blue? Try to do this one. So here 4 marbles are picked at random. What is the probability that at least one is blue? So at least one blue equal to 1 minus no blue. So here other than blue, how many marbles is there? 4 plus 2, 8, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 3, 11. 11 C4 divided by 15 C4. Total is 15, 15 C4. 11 C4 value is 11 factorial by 4 factorial into 7 factorial. 11 into 10 into 9 into 8. 7 factor 7 factor get cancelled. 24. 8 1 ja 8 3 ja 3 1 ja 3 3 ja 110 330. 1 minus 330. 15 C4. 15 factorial by 4 factorial into 11 factorial. 15 into 14 into 13 into 12 divided by 11 factor 11 factor get cancelled. 24. 12 1 ja 12 2 ja 2 1 ja 2 7 ja 15 7 ja 105 13 65. 5 6 ja 30 5 6 ja 30. 5 2 ja 5 7 ja 35 5 3 ja 3 1 ja 3 2 ja 6 3 2 ja 6 3 9 ja 27 1 ja. LCM is 91. 91 minus 22. 69 by 91. Option number 2 is the right answer. 463 give correct answer and Priyanka Dasri give correct answer. Very good. These are same models. Now do this one. Tickets numbered 1 to 20 are marked up and then a ticket is drawn at random. What is the probability that the ticket drawn bears a number which is a multiple of 3? How many multiples of 3 is there? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Between 1 to 20, 7 numbers is there. From that 7, so pick one. 7C1 means 7 divided by. What is the problem that the number is drawn based a number which is a multiple of 3 by 20 C1. Seven by 20. No, not option is not there. So multiple of 3. Multiple of 3 is not option is not there. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. These are the multiples which are lies between 1 to 20. 6 by 20. 3 2 ja, 3 10 ja. 2 by 10. 3, 6, 9. So 6 is there. 6 by 27 is 20. 6 by 20. 3 2 ja, 2 3 ja, 2 10 ja. 3 by 10. So option number 1 is the right answer. Option number 1 is the right answer. Some of the students give correct answer. Very good. Next. In a lottery, there are 10 prizes and 25 blanks. A lottery is done at random. What is the probability of getting a prize? From that one, we choose one means 10C, one is 10. By total is 35. By 2 ja, by 7 ja. 2 by 7 is the right answer. Option number 3 is the right answer. So this type of questions will come from this probability. Next, another important chapter, speed, time, distance. Next, first question. A train speeds with a speed of 180 kilometer per hour. A speed in meter per second is 1 minute, ma. Next chapter is speed, time, distance. First question is, a train covers the speed of 180 kilometer per hour. Its speed in meter per second is. So whenever we are going to convert kilometer per hour into meter per second, we multiply with 5 by 18. 18 1 ja, 18 10 ja, 10 5 ja 50 meter per second. Option number 4 is the right answer. These are similar problem. Here we convert speed in terms of kilometer per hour. So here speed equal formula is distance by time. 200 by 24. This one is meter, this one second, meter per second we get. But here we convert that one into kilometer per hour means multiply with 18 by 5. 6 4 ja, 6 3 ja, 5 1 ja, 5 4 ja, 0. 4 1 ja, 4 10 ja. 10 into 3, 30 kilometer per hour. Option number 4 is the right answer. Priyanka Dasri give correct answer. Very good. Next question. The speed of a car is 40 kilometer per hour. What distance can it cover in 9 seconds? So here in 9 seconds, how much distance it covers? 40 kilometer per hour means 1 hour speed is this one. Calculate so what distance? Distance equal to formula is, so speed equal to formula is distance by time. Distance equal to speed into time. Speed value is 40 kilometer per hour. Converted to meter per second. 5 by 18. Multiply with 5 by 18. Into time is 9. 9 1 ja, 9 2 ja. 2 1 ja, 2 20 ja. 20 into 5. 100. 100 meters. Option number 3 is the right answer. Priyanka Das will give correct answer. Very good. This is also similar one. This is also similar one. Now come to here. A train 250 meters long is running at 45 kilometer per hour. In what time can it pass a tree? So any train crosses a tree or man or telegraph post. In that cases, here time equal formula is distance. Distance is distance of train only. 250 divided by distance by speed. Speed is 45. This one is meter per second. So meters. So we convert this speed in meter per second by multiplying with 5 by 18. 9 5 ja, 9 2 ja, 5 1 ja, 5 5 ja, 0. 5 1 ja, 5 10 ja. 10 into 2, 20. 20 seconds. Option number 4 is the right answer. Priyanka Dasri give correct answer. Very good. This is another model of the question. A train 450 meters long at 40 km per hour in what time can pass a platform of 750 meters long? A train crosses a platform or bridge. In that case, distance equal to length of train plus platform length. Length of train is 450 plus 750. Here we calculate time. Time equal to distance. Distance equal to length of train plus platform length divided by speed. Speed is train speed. Yes, speed in kilometer per hour. We convert it into meter per second by multiplying with 5 by 18. 1200 into 18 divided by 40 into 5. 4 1 ja, 4 3 ja, 0. 5 1 ja, 5 6 ja, 18 6 ja, 108. 108 seconds. Option number 1 is the right answer. A train passes two bridges of lengths 800 meters and 400 meters in 100 seconds and 60 seconds respectively. The length of the train is. Now here we'll see that this is the different types of question. A train passes two bridges. Here the train passes with the two bridges with same speed only. That is the logic here. Speed of crossing bridge 1 equal to speed of crossing bridge 2. So speed equal to length by or distance by time. Distance means length of train x plus length of bridge 800 divided by time. How much time it takes? 100 seconds in first case equal to x plus 400 divided by 60 seconds in second case. 2 5 ja, 2 3 ja. Cross multiply. 5x plus 2000 equal to 3x plus 2400. 2x equal to 400. 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja 0. 200. X equal to 200 means the length of the train is 200 meters. Option number 3 is the right answer. 463 give correct answer. Very good. A train 150 meters long passes a pole in 15 seconds. And another train of the same length traveling in the opposite direction in 12 seconds. The speed of the second train is a train 150 meters long passes the pole in 15 seconds. Another train of the same length traveling in the opposite direction in 12 seconds. The speed of the second train is. So here you see that a first train 150 meters long passes a pole in 15 seconds. Train 1 speed equal to distance 150 by 15 seconds 10 meter per seconds. Now here first train crosses second train in opposite direction. So length of train 1 equal to length of train 2. Same length. So 150 plus 150 distance. In opposite direction means sum of the speeds. This speed is 10 meters. Plus another train speed is we don't know, that is x. Equal to, in how many seconds they cross? In 12 seconds. So 150 plus 150, 180, 300 divided by 10 plus x equal to 12. 12 1 ja, 12 2 ja 24, 12 5 ja 60. So 10x plus x equal to 25, x equal to 15. 15 meter per second. Convert this one into kilometer per hour, multiplying with 18 by 5. 5 1 ja, 5 3 ja. 18 3 ja, 54 kilometer per hour. Option number 4 is the right answer. Priyanka Dasari give correct answer. Very good. This is all similar one. No. Two trains are running parallel lines are 450 meters and 350 meters long at 50 km per hour and 40 km per hour respectively. In what time can they pass each other if they are moving in the same direction? Time equal to distance by speed. Distance is length of train 1 plus length of train 2. 450 plus 350 divided by same direction means difference of speeds. 50 minus 40, this is in meter, this is in kilometer per hour means you convert to meter per seconds. Multiplying with 5 by 18. 800 into 18 divided by 10 into 5. 5 1 ja, 5 16 ja. 18 6 ja 108. 288 seconds this one. We convert this one into minutes. 288 by 60. 64 ja 240. Carry 48. 48 by 60. 12 4 ja 12 5 ja. 4 by 5 minutes. Option number 1 is the right answer. So 4 by 5 minutes, that option number 1 is the right answer. It's all same question. Next. Two trains travel in the same direction at 50 km per hour and 32 km per hour respectively. A man in the slower train observes that the faster train passes him completely in 15 seconds. The length of the faster train is. Yeah, two trains travel in the same direction, 50 km per hour and 32 km per hour respectively. A man in the slower train observes the faster train passes him. So here, that man passes him the train by 15 seconds. The length of the faster train is. So faster train here, that speed here we consider. So length of the train is x divided by difference of the, now that man also have speed, difference of speeds 30 minus 50 minus 32, 8 km per hour means 5 by 18 convert into meter per seconds. Equal to time equal to distance by speed 15. So x equal to 15 into 18 by 8 into 5. 15 into 8 into 5 by 18. 3 5 ja, 3 6 ja, 2 4 ja, 2 3 ja. Second one. Here, length of the faster train is x. Length to find x equal to distance equal to speed into time. Speed is 8 km per hour. Convert into meter per second by multiplying 5 by 18. Same direction means difference of the speeds. Into this time 15. 2 4 ja, 2 9 ja, 3 3 ja, 3 5 ja, 5 5 ja, 24. Here 18 kilometers ma. Yeah, 50 minus 32, 18. So 18, 18 get cancelled. So 15 5 ja 75 meters. So option number 3 is the right answer. I confused ma. 50 minus 32 is 18. 18 convert into meter per second. 5 by 18 into 15. 18, 18 get cancelled. 15 5 is 75 meters. Option number 3 is the right answer. These are similar one. A train covers a distance in 24 minutes if it runs at 48 km per hour. What should its speed be if it to cover the same distance in 16 minutes? With here we see that in 24 minutes it covers with speed 48 km per hour. In 16 minutes, how much speed it takes? So 48 km per hour it covers 24 minutes. The distance, the same distance with how much speed it covers in only 16 minutes means the speed increases compulsory. That means speed more than 48. So this value increases, this value decreases means indirect proportion. 24 into 48 equal to 16 into question mark. 16 1 ja, 16 3 ja. 72 kilometer per hour. Option number 3 is the right answer. Priyanka Das is give correct answer. Very good. Ravi arrives a bank 15 minutes earlier than the scheduled time. If drives his car at 42 km per hour, he arrives 5 minutes late if he drives the car at 35 km per hour. The distance of the bank from the starting point is. Here, this is go late and early case. Early and late case. In this case, product of speeds. Product of speeds is 42 into 35 divided by difference of speeds 7 into here late and early means addition 15 plus 5 20 20 by convert this one into minutes into hours by 60. So 1 hour value is 60, so write 60. 7 1 ja 7 6 ja 42, 21 ja 23 ja 3 1 ja 3 2 ja 35 into 2 70 kilometers. Once again listen, this is late and early case. In that late and early case, the formula is product of speeds by difference of speeds into sum of the times. Here 40 into 35 divided by difference of 42 into 35 divided by difference of speeds is 7 into time here. Here addition of time is 15 plus 5 20, but we convert this one into hours because here the speed is in the form of kilometer per hour. 20 by 60. Cancel this one, we get 70 kilometers. This is a similar one. Raman drove from home to a neighboring town at the speed of 50 km per hour. On the returning journey, he drove at the speed of 45 km per hour and also took an hour longer to reach the home. What distance did he cover each way? Here, go on return case. In this go on return case, product of speeds divided by sum of speeds, difference of speeds into time difference. Time difference is how much? 1 hour. 5 1 ja, 5 10 ja. 10 into 45, 450 kilometers. Option number 1 is the right answer. This is another type of problem. A car goes to a place at 50 km per hour and return the same at 30 km per hour. If it takes 6 hours in all, what is the total distance covered by the car? Fifty into 30. Difference of speeds is 60, 20. 0, 0 get cancelled. 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja. 3 3 ja 9, 9 5 ja 45, 450 kilometers. So option number 3 is the right answer. Product of speeds by difference of speeds into overall time. So option number 3 is the right answer. So these are the different models which will ask in that InfyDQ exam. So all the best for your coming InfyDQ exam. So I stop here. Thanks to everyone. If anyone have any doubt, you can ask through chat box. So I stop here. Thanks to everyone. All the best for your coming InfyDQ exam.